Most of the data in your Storeganise account can be updated in bulk, making it easy to manage large amounts of information at once. This includes things like unit and unit type details, rental and user data, and even any custom fields you've created. While the exact steps may vary slightly depending on what you're updating, the overall process is the same throughout the system. The bulk update process involves three main steps: exporting your existing data, making updates in a spreadsheet, and then uploading the updated file back into Storeganise. Let's go through an example by updating our medium-sized unit prices in bulk. First, go to the units list in your site settings. Since we're updating the prices for medium units, we'll start by filtering the list to show only those unit types. Next, we'll export the data. Click on the menu button and select Export. The export window will display all the available data points that you can include in the file. By default, only the most relevant fields are shown. In this case, unit-related data. However, you can also access data points for sites, unit types, users, and rentals if needed. One key thing to remember: the ID field is always required for bulk updates. If you're updating units, you'll need the unit ID. If you're updating users, you'll need the user ID, and so on. To keep things simple, it's best to only select the fields you plan to update, along with any necessary identifying information. Since we're adjusting prices, we'll select ID, default price, and name to make sure we can match each row to the correct unit. Then, click Export to download the CSV file. Now open the file in your preferred spreadsheet software. We often recommend Google Sheets since it allows you to work directly in your browser. Once you have the file open, update only the cells that need to be changed. In this case, we'll adjust the values in the default price column to reflect the new pricing. After making your edits, download the file again, making sure to save it as a CSV file. Now, return to your management portal and navigate back to the units list. Click the menu button again, but this time, select Update Units. In the upload window, click Update. Select your newly prepared CSV file and confirm the update when prompted. Once the update is complete, your changes will be reflected in the system. If there are any formatting errors in the file, Storeganise will display an error message explaining the issue. You'll also have the option to download an error report, which will help you fix any mistakes before re-uploading the file. The same process applies to nearly any type of data in Storeganise, making bulk updates quick and efficient.